The damage estimates cover county facilities, commercial losses on the Big Island, and residential losses on the Big Island. I don't have any data for state or federal, although State Civil Defense is compiling those. In terms of structural damage to commercial facilities, we're looking at approximately $11,101,128, and I need to basically add that none of this includes contents, fixtures, loss of inventory. So the numbers actually will be higher. That is for commercial. For residential, it's $2,521,144. And for losses to county, this would include the Lani Hao wastewater pump station, Ali Drive, and damages to several parks, and a broken water main. It's approximately $562,000. So for a total of $14,184,720.
And again, this probably understates the actual damages that have been suffered because it just covers certain things.
There are lost cars, loss of contents, loss of inventory to businesses. These damage estimates do not capture those figures.
Okay. Do these numbers suggest that we'll qualify for federal aid, FEMA assistance, or any other level of assistance?
I wish I could speak to that specifically. The state is pushing very hard to try and get individual and business assistance through FEMA, but that case has not been made yet.